Want to know how to have a Tesla Level 2 watt charging station installed in your home without struggling with slow charging speeds? When it comes to EV home charger installations, what do you think is the biggest challenge folks have? One of the biggest challenges people have with EV home charger installations is not knowing how to add a proper home car charging station. This is a challenge because folks are getting electrocuted by messing around with electricity when they haven't had the proper training. Why should you care? You should care because you need a professionally installed home EV charging station that works. Are you ready to get better, faster at home car charging? Perfect. You are in the right place. So, let's make this easy. Here are 3 tips to help you be able to charge your electric vehicle at home. Tip 1. Do not attempt to do it yourself if you do not have the right education and training. This is important because electricity is seriously dangerous. It can result in serious injury or even death. You will benefit from this most if you are ready to get a professional home car charger without doing anything dangerous. Now, you should be ready to get in touch with the pros and leave electrical work to those who know what they are doing. Tip number 2. Pick the best location for your EV home charging station. Are you able to let your installer know where the charging station needs to go? Pay close attention. This is important because you want the place for your charger to be easy to access with your vehicle. You should be able to let your installer know where your breaker box is and where you want your charger. Tip number 3. Know your charging speed needs. This is important because you want to get the best options based on your desired charging speeds. This will help you significantly if you are able to communicate with your installer as to what kind of power output you need. Your next step is to get in touch with the pros and let us show you the best options for your needs. Now you understand some of the top home charger installer tips. There's no reason to keep struggling with slow charging speeds. Are you ready to be able to charge your electric vehicle at home? Ready to help by the best home ready to get help by the best home EV charger installers? Ready to get a fast and affordable home EV charging station? Get in touch with us now. Visit us online or give us a call. Our info is below this video.